All right, it's Friday morning and we came off a pretty late night, but that's okay because we got a lot done. Today we got obviously the front of the truck, grill, headlights, we got a tonneau cover, side steps, wheels, tires, and guess what? JL Audio guys were here late. They finished up. Let's check it out.
Problem is like you gotta clear, these gotta tuck in underneath. So normally like this all would come off and sit on top of it. But the way they made them is they're clipped so they sit behind it. So now you have this point where it pushes you out while you're trying to get it on the track.
Yeah.
So you get it to sit, but everything on the ends is like binding you out.
Binding
so
you?
yeah,
How do you tuck it in, pretty much?
Well, after you get it in, like you tuck it, but you have to get this track, and that's where we keep like kind of beating it, trying to get it down. Fire it up with this in there.
All right, go ahead and pause it. So we just finished calibrating our Fix 82. We have a successful calibration. So what that means is we pretty much took the equalized mid-range and high-frequency channels. We made them one harmonious 20 to 20,000 hertz full-range signal, removed all the equalization so we have a nice flat response. So now we can just go in, we're going to set the levels on the amplifier, set the crossovers, and we should be able to hook up the speaker sub and be rocking in just a couple of moments.
All right, so the guys from JL Audio just finished the subwoofer. It is mounted and it's time to listen to some jam. So let's see what we got. Oh, it's my song too. All right, let's get out of here. I'm an idiot. God, I'm an idiot. Let's get this day started.
You have to push on this so it can pop off of it. Look, like that.
Christian's good at figuring stuff out.
Sometimes.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, 2 out.
Oh man, I love the smell of that. Oh, it smells so good, dude. It reminds me of my childhood for some reason. Careful with the fingers. Push it all the way forward. There it is.
So these brackets are gonna go right towards the back of the tailgate.
Okay.
There's a little groove that you'll see on the rail. You're just gonna make sure that sits over the top of the piece right here on the canister. Make sure you don't do it too tight.
Yeah, I think I'm pretty good.
All right, me too.
Oh, it's Hazel. Hazel, we got you.
Hey!
We got you 14 egg McMuffins with sausage. So go ahead and start eating up.
All right, I'm in. Boom. Well, you can't get this connector wrong because it has a one way on, one way off.
Yeah, everything's pretty easily labeled.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I'm waiting to hear a snap.
The right snap.
That's a lot of pressure.
That was a snap.
That was a snap. All right.
Okay, is there top ones? Because we're kind of far. No, actually, that's all right. That almost fits.
What are we on? We're on the bumper. That's why.
Well, nothing we can do about that.
You can push it in.
That's about it. Let's see if we can bolt this up and shut the hood.
Yeah. Boy. All right.
Moment of truth.
Gently.
One more. Oh yeah.
Look at that. Where's your Sharpie? You got some rock chips.
So on the Chevy, there's a couple little pieces of plastic that you can pop off on the back near the bulkhead. What you're gonna do is run the wire through that hole, and then you're able to run the wire down underneath the vehicle up into the engine bay to attach to the battery.
Oh, good. We've got the world's smallest little window to get through here. Yippee! Oh, success.
Yeah. Dunskies. Okay, your Tonneau's live if you want to try it out. Sweet.
I like that.
Oh, whatever happened to screws and bolts?
Plastic took over.
Yeah, right? Oh, wait. So we had one up there, two. Oh, yeah, those
These are
are already
tapped.
there.
These are tapped.
Yeah, I forgot already. We just did that.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Okay. Did you bring the impact gun over here?
Of course not. That would make sense. Oh, why
someone-
would I do that?
Can someone see the impact gun over there with the 1/2 inch on it? I wasn't sure how long you were gonna go for.
Until it stops.
First one.
Because we got a different bumper, the outline of the inner fender is different. So now I'm just marking where I'm gonna cut to try to make it look as factory as I can. Woo!
Hey Jason, we're short one.
Oh, you forgot. There's one on your head.
Well, the elastic is strong.
This will be the easier way if you just do that. Pull it tight. Boom. Boom.
It's a beaut. Protection.
Line up your lugs.
I'm ready.
This is gonna be fun.
I'll walk forward.
You're good at scooting.
Make sure you get my red face. Make sure you get my red face.
Yeah, use your knees, not your back.
I am.
Okay. Yeah.
Boom, son.
I knew we should have went with the 44s.
They're good, man. They look nice.
Done.